To change the battery on your smart garage door opener tilt sensor, insert a small flathead screwdriver into the opening of the tilt sensor, then remove the cover. Next, remove the battery by gently inserting a flathead screwdriver between the battery and one of the metal clips in the battery compartment. Then, replace the battery with the new CR2032 lithium coin battery with the plus sign facing up by pressing down on the batteries to ensure they're in place. Finally, reattach the cover to its base. Contact your local battery recycling program to find out how to best dispose of your used batteries.